Okay, let's go. Hello, my name is Dino Sebastián Gutierrez Oropesa, and I am currently enrolled in the virtual programming course at JUMSA, touched by La Licenciada Reinaldo Ceballos. In this document, I will demonstrate the process of setting up and utilizing a published for using Visual Studio Code and Android Studio. These tools provide efficient and accessible environment for developing and sharing application, okay? Particularly when working on projects that secure external access to locally hosted resources. Additionally, in Android Studio, we will explore the use of web services, which are the accessible for enabling communication between application and service. So to use setup, I am to depend on my underlined and engaged my skills in modern programming is okay. Okay, let's start. This my project done in HTML and Python. Okay. At first step, we will run the Flask bot, okay, so that it gives a local port and with the help of Visual Studio Code. Okay, start Flask app run the book, enter, and with the help of the Visual Studio Code, we can turn into port into a public port to generate a link that will be used to use later. Port 500 is so long. Starting port for one system. Okay, private public. Okay, once we have the link, we go to Android Studio and begin explaining. Okay, the main activity. The part is packet declaration for the app. Okay, import necessary Android classes. Import Android OS Bungle is for managing activity life states, and import Android with web Chrome client to only have script dialogues and icons until in web view. Okay. In main activity of the app is public class. Main activity extends app activity. Okay. Declare web view instance, private web view. Okay. The super uncreate save instance of this called the superclass method auto and activity creation. Okay, set contain view our layouts activity main is set the layout sources for the activity. Okay, the web view view by ID is initialize the web view by finishing the layout. Okay, my layout. The configure the web view to have navigation. We get the view itself. Okay, set a web Chrome client so enable support the feature like model, dialog, and JavaScript alert. Web view set web Chrome client. Okay, next web view settings. The web view settings, web view on get settings. Okay, and the this part web settings where JavaScript enable is enable JavaScript to ensure interactive web vector work. Okay, enable them is the command object model is storage to support vectors like the local staging web page. Okay, the local load a specific URL into load a specific URL into the web view is the HTTP is this part is this part. Okay, the override is check if there is drawing story in the web view. Then navigate back in the web view history in the range of existing the app. And finish is exit the app if there is no browsing history. Yeah. Okay, let's go. This Android manifest XML. Okay. So important is declare the app require internet access. Okay. Define application level properties. The Android allow true is enable backup and the torch of the app date. Okay, the Android data extraction tools is tools for extraction backup. Okay, this is the four. Okay. The Android theme style theme to and this hardball is app remote theme. Okay, the icon is Zeres, Door, and low banner. Okay. This is important. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Here's the logo, and then my name the app. Okay. Is this layout? Okay. The important is define a web element. Okay. The web view is more important. Okay. The Android ID, the web view is unique ID for referring in the web view in the code. Okay. The Android layout which made parent is web views which file the parent's container, and the with web view header field the parent container. Okay. Okay, it is this pre-visualization. Okay. Okay, run. We wait a moment, please, in the church. In this case, the link generated Visual Studio Code is published, okay? In a window. It should show up on my cell phone size. We are using web service. Okay, let's go. And Android Studio. This Windows my cell phone. Okay, continue and reveal time, please. As you can see, this part is published and can be sent on your cell phone. Okay, this is my app in the cell phone. Okay, this is a web service. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope you are like it. See you later, my friends.